Exotic wall finishes, guys. Beautiful, clean, white marble floors with this sexy, tall fireplace. Guys, this fireplace was red marble. This gentleman over here covered it all up. We put compound on it. We meshed it the whole 9 yards to hide all the seams. We did a clean white Venetian plaster all the way to the top, silver pearl wax, and then inside I did a matte Marmorino canvas matte. It's very elegant, very sexy, so it's more sturdier for the fire pit. What do you think?
Beautiful, man.
You love it?
Love
You love it? It's a sexy ass.
Beautiful.
Perfect. This is what we do, guys. You guys want, and you guys have a fireplace that's boring, you contact us. You
This is the way a fireplace should look.
If you have an open wall and you don't have a fireplace and you want one, contact us. We'll build it for you.
Yeah.
And we'll do a beautiful finish for your fireplace, for your home, place of business, whatever you guys. Exotic wall finishes. Wait for Figma group. That's how we do it, baby.